Night after night, Ruby Lama, a transgender sex worker, puts on her makeup and forces herself out onto the streets. Due to stigma, workers like Ruby asked that their faces not be shown.
Until recently, many of them worked not as sex workers, but as aid workers, including Ruby Lama, who dedicated years of her life to helping prevent the spread of HIV in Nepal's marginalized communities. But after the US cut its foreign aid funding, Ruby is surviving now by working the streets, alongside the very people she once fought so hard to help.
पहिलो रात चाहिँ अलि तनावपूर्ण अलिकतिको पनि आउँदाखेरि कोही मान्छेहरू डिल गर्न आउँदाखेरि पनि डर लाग्ने के भन्ने कसो भन्ने भनेर चाहिँ अलिकति नर्भस भए जस्तो हुने.
After the shutdown of the U.S. Agency for International Development, around 280,000 aid workers around the world lost their jobs. Nepal's leading LGBTQ+ aid group says around 100 of its former aid workers have turned to sex work to survive. The conservative culture of Nepal leaves openly transgender people with few legal job options.
Different private company, different institution, even we have the capacity, even we have the expertise, even we have the qualified document academic qualification, they don't choose our community.
With the U.S. funding cuts also eliminating access to HIV prevention medication in Nepal, health experts fear a spike in HIV prevalence among the surging ranks of sex workers, as well as members of the LGBTQ+ community. Before last year's funding cuts, Nepal saw a 76% drop in new HIV cases between 2010 and 2024.
युएसएडको सपोर्ट युएसएडले गरेको सपोर्ट चाहिँ नेपालको लागि एकदमै सराहनीय थियो किनभने एचआईभी को लागि उसले जो योगदान गरेको छ नेपालको लागि.
In a statement to the Associated Press, the State Department said the U.S. spends more on health and humanitarian assistance than any other country and urged the rest of the world to share the burden. Despite that, the U.S. has stopped funding NGOs like Ruby's former employer, which provided HIV prevention services.
पहिला चाहिँ अब हाम्रो जुन यो फन्डिङ थियो युएसएडको जुन फन्डिङ हुँदा चाहिँ अब कन्डम सेमै थियो यो पनि अब जस्तो यो एचआईभी को ट्रिटमेन्टहरु एचआईभी रोक्नको लागि चाहिँ खाने यो प्रेपहरु चाहिँ निशुल्कै थियो अब अहिले चाहिँ छैन.
In addition to unprotected sex, many have faced violence. Sujata Chowdhury is another former aid worker who turned to sex work out of desperation. She recalls one night when two men picked her and a friend up and drove them out of town against their will. She says she was raped by at least 8 men that night. Sometimes the workers face harassment from the police.
एकचोटी चाहिँ अब पुलिसले कुटेको छैछ मलाई 2-3 लट्ठी हानेको थियो म यतिकै उभिराख्दा बाटोमा.
Yet despite the risks, former aid workers like Ruby say unless a new funding source is found, they are left with 2 options: sex work or starvation.